What is up, YouTube? Let me ask you something. Who do you think that I look up to as somebody who is impressive in this industry? I've been in this industry for about 2 years now, been making a full-time living doing this stuff, but there are still people that I think are incredible. And one of those people has just participated with three other people to create what I consider one of the most authoritative courses in how to make money online. And this is a man who I owe my own star to this man. Without him, I don't think that I would be successful. His name is Trevor Carr, and I'm going to tell you all about his new course, which he launched with three other really incredible people. It's called the Super Shakedown, and it's coming right up. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with a hat. That's because I wear fedora well pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people who can perform successfully. Well, me by Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, feel free to skip ahead. I know that my jokes can be a stale as well. The matzah that we're having for the Seder. Oh my God. If you haven't had it, well, it's worse than a communion cracker. Let's put it that way. It's basically flour and water. It's stale. Anyway, whatever. Bottom line, if you are new, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products and make my online niche. And why would I do such a thing, you might ask? Well, it's actually very, very simple. It's to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
Okay, Bart, seriously? Do you have to do that every time? You know, the guy's so irritating. Even on Passover, he's driving me crazy. Bart, go eat some matzah, and then you'll know from trouble from crap. Anyway, seriously, if you are new, the way things work here, if I like Bart, I will give it tip my hat to part of crap. If I don't, well, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, thank you, Liz Lemon. You see, Liz is a sweetheart. She's a fellow New Yorker. She knows what matzah is. She's probably been to a couple of seders. Anyhow, if you are new, make sure you go ahead and smash that subscribe button to the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. To frankly subscribe, well, it doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Make sure that you like this video, comment down below, and let's go ahead and get right into this. Okay, so we are looking right now. This is the sales page for the Super Shakedown. Now, this I wanted you to see this thing. These are from John Newman. He's a friend of mine. He's one of the people launching the Super Shakedown. It's and I'm going to show you the members area because I am just blown away by this members area. Okay, I want to see who's involved in this thing though, because John is just one of the people. So you have John Newman, you have Cynthia Benitez. Cynthia is actually pretty new and she's been killing it online. Jonas Lindgren has been around for a long time, and this man, Trevor Carr, I owe Trevor a lot because Trevor is actually the man who helped me to launch my very first product, Local Video Jackpot, which was a huge hit. And without Trevor, I don't think that I would be where I am right now. So he really made a massive difference to me, and he does have play a role in the Super Shakedown. So you can see here, the main training is going to be from John. He's the one who's doing most of the course. However, what you can see here, let's see, and I think it's in the resources section, or maybe in the conclusion. Somewhere here, I know that we have videos that are not just from John. You're actually going to get videos. Trying to find where they are. I saw them when I was looking earlier. You're going to get videos from Cynthia. You're going to get videos from Trevor, where he's going to share, where they're going to share, here it is, Trevor's advanced affiliate approaches. Trevor is a mastermind at making money online. He's been doing this for a long time. He's called the Laptop Millionaire, and he is somebody that I really look up to. And look at this, you get 6 videos from Trevor, and Trevor is somebody that you want to be learning from. Okay, never mind that John is not somebody who's very knowledgeable, and Cynthia and and John is Lingard, of course, are very knowledgeable, but Trevor is a powerhouse. So when you get the chance to learn for Trevor, and by the way, look at this price. $9.95. I mean, that's just, I want to highlight this thing for you because this is just incredible. Okay, my marker isn't working here, but this is just incredible. $9.95. That's just wild. Okay, that is absolutely incredible that you can get all this training from these people who are masterminds for $9.95. But I'm going to make this a real no-brainer for you. So basically, here's the deal. For my custom bonus, I'm giving you PLR to 5 of my own courses, including several that almost nobody's seen. I've given them, I think I gave them away once, and that's it. And so I'm giving these 5 away as bonuses with PLR. That means that you get the right to give them away, sell them, use my name, pick up any upgrade, and I'm going to give you the right to transfer PLR. What that means is that instead of just being able to sell them or give them away as bonuses, you can sell or give away the PLR rights. Now, the people you sell them to, they only can give away, they only have, their own PLR. They can't reassign PLR, in an endless loop. The idea is basically, I don't want you to sell it to one person, then that one person sells to the next person sells to the next person, and so on and so forth, and it ends up, an endless loop. But they will have, you as the primary purchaser will have reassignable PLR if you pick up any upgrade. So you get 5 of my best courses with full PLR, and then you're going to get reassignable PLR to those 5 courses as well when you pick up any upgrade to the Super Shakedown. And again, this is $9.95. This is the most ridiculous bargain I have ever seen when you think about what you can learn from these 4 people who are masters in the industry. This really is so worth it. And, I'm kind of tipping my hat early, but let's face it, this one, this is such a no-brainer. Okay, so yeah.
For the giant hat, sir.
Well, yeah, that was kind of obvious. That was going to do a tip of my hat, right? Huge tip of my hat. This one is so worth picking up. It is such an incredible package that you get to learn from all these people. This one is worth it. Grab this one with both hands because this one is like insane. You're going to love this.